Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to make an app which will show video in it. Okay, so let us open our Xcode here, and I'll be making a new Xcode project, video player, and here we have made a new project here. And so first let us import our video. So I'm going to use this video mountains. I'll just drag and drop it here, and here you need to check this add to targets, okay, or else it will show an error here. And you need to also check this copy items if needed and video player for the targets. Finish. Okay, now what I will do is I will rename this to video, just video, or anything like sample or player, anything you can rename it. And what I will do is I will make a variable here which will store the location of the video. So this video is local, right, in our system. So I will use bundle dot main, and here main dot url, and for the resource is video, which is the name of this video file, and the extension is mp4. Now how will you know the extension of this is? Just click on the video, click on this, and here you will know the name of your video and the extension. Okay, now if you forgot to click on the add to target, here is the like button or the checkbox, here you can click. Okay, now coming back here, what I will do is I will just remove this. Okay, let this wish tag be here, and what I will do is I will import AVKit. Okay, now for this AVKit to work, what we need to do is click on this file which is the root, and go down, and here in the frameworks library click on this plus and AVKit framework, add. That's all. Okay, now we have imported this AVKit, and here what I will do is video player, and in this video player we have an instance of AV player, right? So what I will do is AV player, which will take this URL as a parameter. So I will just pass this URL. Okay, so this URL is this. Okay, now what we will do is, now this is showing as an error, I think. Yeah, so what if we don't have any video naming this video or with an extension mp4? So for the safe side, what we'll do is if URL is not equals to nil, then only show this video. Okay, so if this gives us an error, so there will nothing will be in this URL, so we will not get anything in this URL. Okay, yeah. Now after, what I will do is I will show the video here, and below that what I will do is I will give a text which says description, and I will also give a text which will say I will just copy paste. First what I'll do is I will just comment out this because the preview is showing us an error. What I will do is I will just copy the lorem ipsum. No, this is the lorem ipsum I gave. Okay, so value, let us, right, we have unwrapped this, and that's all I guess. Now let us run this in an simulator which is 14 Pro. Okay, so now we have our video here which is also playing. Okay, and we have got our text here. Now if you here, what I'm going to do is I'll just bold this, and in the wish tag I will give an alignment of leading, and let us run this. if you want, you can also give a scroll view here for this text, and dot font, and here I gave the large title as the font. Now let us check this once. Okay, now if you want, you can scroll this, and video also. If you want to just change the remove this black, then you can give the frame for this one. So once I run this for the final time, and that's all. Here we got the controls and the playback speed also. You can pause it and forward this for 10 seconds as you wish. The volume button is here, and yeah, that's all. This is how you show a video player in your iOS apps. Thank you.